Greetings one and all. Welcome back to the kitchen here today. So yeah, hope everyone's doing well, staying healthy, all that stuff. Like we're experiencing those few hard times at the moment. But anyway, we'll get on with some cooking here. So today I'm going to be taking a trip to, well, a bit of a notorious destination in the kitchen here today. We're going to be travelling to China, and we're not going to be eating any bats or marsupials or anything, but we are going to be having some chicken, and to be specific, some crispy skinned Cantonese style chicken. Now, to start off with, I just want to marinate my chicken, and you need to do this for a couple of hours or at least overnight, so I'm going to be doing mine overnight. Very, very simple marinade. I've got here half a cup of Sichuan wine, Chinese cooking wine. That's going in. I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into that. I've got here a large knob of ginger that I've grated, and all those juices that are in that ginger are there on that plate as well. So get all that in there. A teaspoon and a half Chinese 5-spice, and that goes. And we'll just give it a good bit of salt there, probably at least a teaspoon of salt. Just get that a little bit of a stir up. So yeah, like I say, very, very, very simple marinade, and I'll just cover it, put it in the fridge. I'll probably get it out a few times later tonight. Give it a stir over. So what I'm going to be using is a couple of these chicken Marylands, and for those of you that don't know, I've used chicken Marylands in the past, and a few times I've had inquiries from our American friends saying, what's a Maryland? So basically, I think over there you call it I don't know, a whole hindquarter or something, but that's a Maryland here in Australia. It's basically just that thigh, leg, still attached, skin on here, part of the chicken. So that's one of those is like a really good big serve for one person. So that's going in. And I'll be turning that as we go anyway a few times, as I said. So I'll get that in the fridge, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Alrighty, just while my chicken there is still marinating away, I'm just going to make a bit of Sichuan pepper, salt pepper, to go with our finished dish. So yeah, as you saw just then, I was toasting about a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns. I'm going to add just a good teaspoon of salt. Alrighty, so yeah, my chicken's been marinating overnight now. All I've done is taken it out of that marinade, padded it dry, and I've got here some corn flour that I've put in, mixed in about a teaspoon of white pepper powder, and all we're going to do is coat these Maryland pieces up. Alrighty guys, so yeah, as you can see I've just got my Matty Boom Boom Wok out here. So I'm going to be cooking my chicken in two parts. First of all I'm just going to give it a quick deep fry in some hot oil, just for a minute or two, just to try and get it a bit crispy. And then I'm going to take it off. I've got my oven preheating and I'm going to finish them off in the oven on a rack here. So, I'll probably just do these one at a time, because they're quite big, so just test it. Alright, and we'll just lay it away from us, like so. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I've had my chicken out. Yeah, I'm just experimenting with this new cleaver thing I've got here, so yeah, let's get into it. Just get it onto our plate there with our rice. And I'm just going to get a bit of, actually, before I do that, I've got a bit of my Sichuan peppercorn and salt mixture. So we'll just sprinkle some of that over it, just a light dusting, like so. Just a little bit of coriander. Alrighty guys, so as you saw I've plated that up now. Yeah, I'm just going to give it a little taste. I should go looking for my chopsticks, but anyway, I will in a minute. I just want to taste it first. So, yeah, there's our crispy skin chicken, nicely cooked through. I've just, yeah, got a bit of soy and hoisin there, bit of rice. I'm just going to taste this by itself first. Oh man, that chicken is just beautiful. That marinade, that overnight marinade, has just permeated into it, and you feel like you're you're in a top-notch Chinese restaurant. The flavour that's gone in that chicken is just awesome, and a beautiful crunchy skin. You get that pepper, the Sichuan pepper, the salt. Well, I'm going to sit down and eat this now. So thanks for watching, as always. Thanks to those who subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, and yeah, I'm not just saying that, I really do appreciate it. Thanks for that, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask that you just hit that subscribe button? If you don't want to, no worries. There's no big deal. And I will see you all for the next cook.